Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ebok with a vlog, and I'm specifically going to be calling this a cat vlog because basically, well, I clean my room and everything. If you look around, you can basically see my carpet that's clean. Second, basically, I'll give you. This is basically what my room looks like. Just a second. Here's my carpet. You can't really see it that good. Over there is my shoes. And my cat, kind of camouflage, yep. There's my dresser, and then I got another dresser over there. I got two actually. And then if you look up, there's some cars and stuff. It's pretty messy up there. Also behind you, I used to have stuff up there. If you don't see it from where I'm at, I got my broadcasting thing, my Yeti microphone, and where's my Elgato at? Oh, in the middle. You can hardly see it. Like, it's right there. Okay, basically, what I'll be talking to you today about is, basically, how this cat vlog all started, how I thought of it. Basically, I thought of it, on the top of my head, a couple hours of sleep, kinda, just thought of it. Okay, my cat, or whatever, I already showed you my cat, kinda shoe sleeper right now, or cozy, I don't know. Basically got a cat litter up here for her, and, a water dish, with food and water. Basically, just got done cleaning my room. My dad helped me. And, let's see, last night, I got to drive a little bit. Like, on the way home, we went on Gravel Road. Basically, other things, my dad, with his chainsaw, cut down this piece of wood for a wood stove. And basically, what I'm going to talk about is this cat vlog, how I basically, like, my cat, like, that I really care about. The cat's name is Socks, because basically of its paws, because they kind of look like socks. But basically, how this cat vlog all started is, well, we got quite a bit of cats, so, it's not going to be just one vlog, like one cat vlog. It's going to be plenty, like 5 or 6 maybe, or 4 or 5. And basically, Socks, we saved her from this, how to explain it. This one guy ditched her off, basically dropped her off somehow, and she was up in this tree, and we went up and saved her from this tree when she was a kitten. Ever since, we've have her kept, because I really like that cat. And basically, and it's one of our best cats. I agree with that. And that's basically it. And then basically, I used to play with the cat all the time. Used to bring upstairs once in a while. And this would be my first time showing it from a video. Socks, come here. Socks! Come on. Socks! Come on. For a video. Socks. Just saying. I got my cat here. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Look at this cat. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, ebook, put in your mic now.
Just a second. Dude, I'm making a fucking video. Calm the fuck down, dude. Oh. Yeah, why? There's no reason. No. It's not me, dude. I'm telling you, it's not me. He's one of my friends, so why? No, I told you, he's been off for, like, ever since that you, like, were bitching him out and shit, dude. No, it's not. I'm telling you right now that I'm not Obey Lux, dude. I don't sound anything like him. I don't say dude all the time, yeah, right? Why are you gonna boot me offline? I didn't do anything wrong. That's what's pretty messed up. What? Cast Ebok is my name. Wait, my actual name, you mean? And yeah, I was just joking. My name's actually Obey Lux, yes. I can't fool anyone because my voice is the same most of the time. I don't know, dude. I don't even get what happened because you and me were good friends and then we just, like, disagreed on something or something happened and then you ended up deleting me, so... Still there? Hello? A vlog. A vlog. You know, like a blog? I call it a vlog. Yeah. Well, Cass Theater does. He has, like, almost as much as Red Reserve. Wait, what'd you say? Delete it? Well, I said I said for him to be quiet because I was making a vlog. Hey, can I finish my vlog? I'm actually almost done. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry for the mishap. Basically what's going on is I was getting with an argument with someone. Okay, basically, this cat vlog is basically done. If you liked it, just don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Well, it's been pretty cool, and peace out.